Hey guys, just wanted to show you something, a little life hack that I like to do. A little hot beverage I like to drink. It's called microwave water, so I'm gonna show you how to make that real quick. First, I like to start with some water. I like to use a Brita filter. I don't know how you get your water. You just pour it in a cup like this. Make sure the cup's make sure it's microwavable also. And so I got a microwave over here. Some people think that you have to use a water kettle or a stovetop or something, but no, you can just use a microwave. I've been doing it all my life. My parents made microwave water for me, so I really enjoy it. This is just put it in there like that. It's pretty easy. Make sure your microwave's plugged in, and I just want to put it in for maybe about I don't know, maybe 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes, and just hit start. Just wait a little bit. Be done in a moment. Oh, there it is. Alright. And just open it up. Be careful, it's hot. Look at it go. Wow. And when you take it out, it should look like this. You see a little bit closer. If it looks like that, then I think you've microwaved your water correctly. And let me take a sip here. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's too hot. I gotta wait.
That's some good microwave water.